Arabic, then English meaning, inshallah. Ashhadu Allah ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I testify that there is no God but Allah, and I testify that Muhammad, he is worshipper and messenger.
is his worship and messenger.
MashaAllah. Say Alhamdulillah. Okay, now again. Allahu Akbar. Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khayrihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala wal ba'si ba'da al maut. I believe in Allah and His angels and His books and His messengers, and all good and bad is from Allah, and I believe in the resurrection after death. Alhamdulillah. Everyone say Alhamdulillah.